Hey guys, it's Rainbow Llama here. So we're gonna give away 3 magic deck boxes. 3 deck boxes with magic cards. Now stop, Connor. Seriously.
Ow.
Oh, I gotta take care of my
Do. Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, guys.
Hi.
100 likes on this video. No, 20 likes on this video for me to spill this deck box and make him clean it up. Or 1,000 likes on this video. Okay, move. 1,000 likes on this video, and we burn the Shivan Dragon.
No.
I'm just joking, guys. Okay, we're gonna give away 3 of these deck boxes: 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 clear. These things are awesome. We're gonna put 10 booster packs in each. It's gonna be an early
Subscribe
Christmas
if you want me to burn down his cards.
So subscribe to this video. 20 subscribers, we are gonna do a challenge. We call it the 1 bite challenge. We're blindfolded. We take 1 bite of a food, and we have to guess what kind of food it is. What food it is. So yeah, subscribe to see that, and peace out. Rainbow Llama out. Salute.